Good afternoon. Okay. This is me, Miss Wynn, and I just want to kind of show you something that I kind of taught myself or learned. I'm in my Google Classroom. Okay. I'm gonna try and show you how I got it to where I could edit, like I did in that last video on it, and we're gonna see if it works. You hit the classwork, okay, and then you go over. Let me move the video cam out of the way. Okay, come over here to week 3 assignments. Okay, now I'm going to put on next next week's lessons as well. Okay, this one is this whole week. Okay, you have all of this. Okay, the only thing you really have to turn in 531, 532. That's Monday and Tuesday's work. Wednesdays and Thursdays is 533 and 534, only to number 11, okay? Do not have to do the hot questions, okay? All right. So, what you're going to do, let me go back. You're going to click on the words. You come over here. Let's do open a new window. Okay. This right here is called download. It's got a little arrow and stuff. Click on the download. Okay, now you see it comes down here at the bottom. Click on that. Download again. It's going to ask you to save. All right? I'm saving it to my desktop. Lesson 18.1 trial. Okay? I'm going to hit save. Now it pops up again. Now, you see at this moment we cannot. Okay, so you kind of have to go out of that. Find lesson 18.1 trial. Open that up. Voila, you're in a total different video picture. So now I'm coming over here. I can go to home. And I've got to reset it. I'm supposed to be where you can, oh, right here. Go to tools, come down, and it says fill and sign or edit PD. Fill and sign. I clicked on that. Guess what? Now I have this. I can come up here. I can click on this and type whatever I need to type. Okay. Come down here. Like y'all are going to do guided practice. What services really use. So you just read this much. Take a look. All right. And read carefully what she has on here and choose which one does she use. Does she use A+ Bank or Next Generation Bank? Okay. Then calculate her monthly costs and which bank is better for her and why do you think so? Okay. Then down here, you're going to answer these questions, and on here, you're going to fill these in. Come down here, the independent practice. Same thing. Okay. On number 11, I was going to point out, pay attention to this. Okay. The dates are very important. Do not put nothing in this one or this one because that's where your beginning balance is. Then you click here and you type in the date, 4-1. On that other video, I forgot to put the dates on there. Okay, now you got to write, what is it? This tells you what is the transaction. So you can just put a deposit. And then under the deposit, it is 150. Next to each one of those, you need to put deposit is plus, withdraw is minus, and then balance is equal. Okay? So put those on there. That way, as you see this, check for 34. When you come across that, you're going to put the check number here. Okay? Harvey's games for 65 and 98. I don't think I finished those, and I did forget to put the date in a bunch of that on the other one, but it's on the very first video, and we did it right. The one we had messed up on, we did that part right. So just follow each one of these. Make sure if it says withdraw, Look, it's minus. You're taking the money out. If it's a deposit, you're putting money in, so it's a positive. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at amanda.wynn@ectorcountyisd.school or, ectorcountyisd.org or amanda.wynn@ecisd.school. Either one of those will work. You can message me on Class Dojo or on Google Classroom. Have a wonderful time.